Alright, ladies and gents, today I want us to look at this previous question paper that was written on the 27 March 2019 of Mechanical Drafting N4. So I want us to look at question 1. So let us look at how can we be able to get all these 10 marks. Question 1, which was paying 10 marks. So the question read as follows: Figure 1 diagram sheet 1 attached shows a full sectional front view of a V-belt drive pulley assembled. Draw to a scale 1:1 a detailed drawing of this gear. Item 4, in first angle orthographic projection. You're supposed to draw a half sectional front view with the top half in sectioning, remember, of that gear, and a left view showing the keyway detail of the hull. So this is the following information of that item 4. So we are given an addendum 4mm, addendum 5mm. The width of the gear is 25mm, so the PCD is 96mm. The hole of the diameter of the hole is 28mm. You are expected to show the hidden details only on the bottom half of the front view, 10 marks. So if you can go down, then so we can start. So what you can do here, start with the left view, whereby you are going to draw this PCD. This is stand for pitch circular diameter, isn't it? Using a scale 1:1. So which means you're going to say 96 divided by 2. So it's 96 divided by 2, which is 48. Then open my drawing compass to 48. This is 48.5. There's my 48mm. So now I come here, then I draw PCD. So that's how you draw a PCD, isn't it? It's a center. This side, here you go. So now where we're placing a drawing compass, I'm going to have this one. Horizontal center line, as well as the vertical center line. Right, so from there we are told that addendum is 4mm and addendum is 5mm. So we know addendum, it is the dimension from the PCD going up. So the addendum is 4mm, addendum 5mm. Understand? So these are the dimensions that we are going to follow, dealing with them now. So now I'm going to record 4mm from here going out. This is 4mm. So from here till here is the addendum. So from here till here is 4mm. From here till here 5mm, which is the addendum. Then from there can place my drawing compass here. This now further extended to the dam. Then I draw a faint line like this. Then I did out, so I can draw this one dark. This is it. So from there we can follow it by the hole diameter, which is 28 millimeter. So the hole diameter is 28 millimeter. We are going to say 28 divided by 2. How much are you getting? 28 divided by 2, 14. So you open your drawing compass to 14 millimeter. Is this one. 14 is this one. Now I come place it here. I'll draw it faint for now, because there is a keyhole here that we have to get. So you must remember this formula. So to get the keyhole, you are going to say the thickness is equals to d over 6. So the d is the shaft diameter, which is what we have, isn't it? Or hole diameter, which is what we have, over 6, which is the half of a circle. So t is equals to, so the d, the diameter of the shaft, it was 28 over 6. When you, so we're going to say 28 to 8 divided by 6 millimeter. We are getting 4 point. Thickness is going to be 4.66 recurring. So you're going to say use 5 millimeter. 5 millimeter. You understand? So what are you going to do with this 5 millimeter? We are going to divide this 5 millimeter into 2 again. So how? So which means from here we are going to say 2.5 and 2.5. You understand? So which means the dimension that we're going to use here is this one. So I can say from here it's 2.5. Understand? After I've gotten that one, I can now draw a faint line like this. So now we are going to calculate the width of the hole. This one, you see that from here till here is the full T, isn't it? So from here till here going in is the half of your T. From here till here is the half of your T. So now we have to calculate the width of your keyhole. From here to the width of your keyhole, the formula is width is equals to diameter over 12. So we're going to say width is equals to diameter over 4. So your width is, which is equals to 28 over 4. How much are you getting? So 8 divided by 4, you are getting 7 millimeter. You understand? Then again, this 7 millimeter, I'm going to say 7 divided by 2, so which is 3.5. So from here till there 3.5, from here till there 3.5. Let's do it. This is my 0, 1, 2, 3.5. So the 0.5 is between 3 and 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3.5 is between 3 and 5. So which means from here till here I can have it dark already. So now I come and construct it vertically dark down from here till there, and from here till there. There I can now place my drawing compass here and have this one solid. Solid from here. There you go. There you go. So from here till here it's going to remain as a faint line. So now remember that the question was like figure 1, diagram sheet 1 attached, which it was this one, figure 1, diagram sheet 1. Right, so let's go and look at that diagram sheet 1, and remember that they said to draw to a scale 1:1 a detailed drawing of a gear item 4. So which means when we get there we'll be tracing item 4 all together. So this is it. Item 4 is this is it. So item 4 is this one. So the dimension, that is why we were not given dimension from here till there, isn't it? The dimension of this is the one that we were given right from question 1, because from here till here is the what is the datum, is the addendum. From here till here is addendum, is the datum, of which is what we've done. So the dimension that we're looking for here now is this one, from here till there, you understand? So which is 45 millimeter, and from here till there we are told which is the thickness of your gear. They said is 25 millimeter. So from here till here 25 millimeter, from here till there is 45 millimeter. Right, so your next step, you are going to measure 20 millimeter from here till there. That's 20 millimeter. Then from there I have a faint line vertical like this. Now I can have this faint come on this side, faint in this one, in this one is still remain as a center. Then this one faint as well. There you go. Then this one faint, this one faint, as well as this one faint. Right, so we are told that the thickness of your gear is 25 millimeter. So this is it. There's our 25 ending. So from here till here is 25 millimeter, and from there I can go up like this. Then from here till there is stuck, from here till there is stuck again, from here till there is stuck. So remember that the question was like a half sectional front view with the top half in sectioning, you understand? So which means this will remain as a what, as a outside top view, the bottom part and the upper part is going to remain as a dark line. But then remember that the set from here going the side is 45 millimeter. So the 45 millimeter is this one. I mark it 0 there of item 4. Then from there, the 45 millimeter we are talking about is this one from here till there. What's from here till here? It's 25, from here till here 45, isn't it? Which is this one. So the diameter of this one is 66. So you're going to say 66 divided by 2. You're supposed to be getting 33 millimeter. So what do you do? 6 divided by 2 is 33. So you open your drawing compass to 33, which is this one. 33 is this one. Now I come and draw this one dark. Then from there, take the circumference point. There you go. So from here till there, it's going to be dark. And take this one. Remember that this is item 4. So from here till there, going to be dark. Then this one, dark here. This one, dark here and dark there. So this one without fear or favor is supposed to be solid. You understand? So that I'll have this line continuing till here, right? And have this one as hidden. Then after that, this one is going to be, which is this one, isn't it? It's going to be hidden as well. There you go. So actually the hacksaw started to cut from here till there. From here till here it cutted, isn't it? From here till down here it was now a hole. So this one is going to be solid here and solid there, because the upper part must remain as an inside view. So if the hacksaw started to cut from here till there, so from here till here it was like the teeth. So that is why this one that goes from here till here, it will also change to be solid. So from here I can now section. So I'll decide to start here. So your hatches, they must be at an angle of 45, equally spaced. The direction, whether clockwise or anti-clockwise, is fine, whatever direction you might choose. So there we go. This one will go. There it goes. Here you go. Here you go. There you go. So that was a mechanical drafting info, guys. Question 1, a conventional representation of a gear. Question 1. So the question was like, draw item 4. You must draw it a half sectional with the upper part in sectioning, which means the bottom part of it is supposed to remain as an outside view. So that was it. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. That was Mr. Nkosi. See you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video and share to your friends. Okay, see you on the next video. Bye. Thank you. Any question, let me down there on the comment.